What's up, fellas? Guess what? Not even a year, and it's time for another alternator for the APU. Okay, alternator is loose. Now I have to take it out again. Wiggle, 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 and somehow it's gotta come out. Okay, got it out. Now let's take this one out of the box. Another new one. So this one, I don't think I got 100 hours on it, and I'm not sure what happened. Maybe the regulator. Okay, let's throw this one back in. Okay, fellas, 1 minute later, new one is in, sitting on this bolt right here, and I have to put the long one on the bottom. So everything is connected, belt is on. Let's go ahead and start this thing and see. Alright, I just connect the battery. So far so good. Okay, I think it's success. We'll see for how long. What's up, fellas? Today we're gonna check the batteries, because I think I may have at least one bad battery in it. So I'm gonna remove the whole thing, take the batteries out, and have them tested. Okay, I got this panel off. Let's take this bracket off. I just wanted to see, because that's how I suspected the battery bad, because my new alternator and the APU start acting funny. But right now I got the truck, the whole truck system, the main switch disconnected, and it's charging. I'm gonna remove them anyway and have them tested. 14.1, 14.2. That's charging good. Okay, but I turned the fan on full, and look, it's already 13. So something is not right, and it's dropping. Yeah. So it's either the battery or the new APU alternator is bad. Let's remove the batteries. Okay, I removed these connectors, and batteries are ready to go out. Got them out, fellas. The connections doesn't look bad at all. They still have green indicator inside. I'm gonna test them with my manual tester and then have them shop tested with the electronic one. So I got this manual battery tester. Let's try it. First one, plus and minus connected, and let's hold this for max 10 seconds. And it's not too bad. The first one is not bad. Let's do it again. Not bad. Do the second one. This one is a little better. Third one. This one is not too bad. Oh, it's going down, but like the first one. The last one. This one is like this first one. Yeah, the same thing. All of them are the same. But right here, I got the brand new battery. I mean, almost new. I use it twice on a Cabover just to start it. So I'm gonna compare this one to the old ones, because these ones are about 3 years old. This is new. So let's see. Almost the same thing. So to be honest, I don't think this is the battery's fault. I think it's the alternator, the new alternator that I just put in APU. It's no good. I'm gonna have them tested in the shop anyway. I got them here. I'm gonna ask these fellas if they can test it. It's breaking into the shop. They're gonna test. So guess what, guys? The batteries are all good. They are almost 3 years old, and they are okay. They were just tested with the electronic tester. So looks like the new alternator in the APU is bad. So the batteries are going back in. Woo! So my old batteries are back in. Time for a new alternator, another one in the APU. But in the meantime, because I don't have new alternator, and I don't think I'm gonna have it soon, let's fire up this guy. It's not even smoking, guys. To get new alternator, fellas. Next day, fellas, going to pick up the alternator for the APU, and I'm going to try to install it today. Try TD, because that's what I got on the, yeah. What else?
6:26 today. Give me just a moment. Consume 70/20.
It's right here. Got the alternator, fellas. This one is brand new Wilson. It's 344 plus tax. Much more expensive than the one on eBay. So the one on eBay was not even 90 bucks, it was like 86 bucks, but it looks like it's junk. Or I got some other issue with the APU. We'll see after I install this one. Alright guys, the batteries are disconnected from the APU. Let's do this. Okay fellas. Gonna remove the top panel and the bottom panel. Okay, top cover is off. This bolt is loosened. These ones are off. The plug. The plug is out. Now the bottom cover. Okay guys, I got the bottom panel off. Now there is the tensioner on the bottom of the alternator. Gotta remove this. And now it's hanging only on this bolt right here. Easy to remove. We got the old new one outside. It's a new alternator. I got maybe like 1 or 2 hours on it and it's just making noises. It's kind of tight. It shouldn't be like this. Let's see on the new one. Now this one is a little bit more loose. This one is tighter. I don't know. I will see after I put this one back on. Okay, new is in. Now just the bottom tensioner. Yeah. Okay, everything is back on. I'm just gonna put few zip ties here and here, and let's try this thing. But first I have to connect the power. Okay, and we are jumping into the sauna because it's like 120 here inside. Okay, or maybe more. $14.2, $13.9, $14.1. It's charging now. So it's 113 Fahrenheit inside right now. It's hot. It's working now. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit and we'll see. Okay, it's still running over 14. Let's put the fan. It's still running. Yeah, the other one was already losing voltage. 13.9, 14. It means it's working. Okay, so we're done here, fellas. I hope this one's gonna run. It was $370 with tax, so compared to the eBay one, 86. We'll see. I hope it's gonna run. Okay. Adios.